Tutorial 17. Hello and welcome. The following tutorial explains about the system's reports. The reports screen allows the user to produce reports for every model separately. The reports screen can be accessed by clicking on the Reports icon in the model's main screen. The upper fields allow the user to choose the report type. There are 9 types of reports. 1. Model configuration reports. 2. Detector efficiency reports. 3. Detector delay time distribution reports. 4. Detailed event history. 5. Variable statistics. 6. Events count by day and hour. 7. Statistical limits by time. 8. Multi-parameter stability by time. 9. Variables changing by time. The various date fields allow the user to set the report's time period. The output file location directory indicates the location where the report results are saved. Report results are saved as HTML files. The two lists at the bottom half of the screen, variables and detectors, allow the user to determine which detectors and variables the report refers to. Clicking the left upper icon, the print icon, will produce a report and display it in a separate window. It is possible to print the report by right-clicking on the report screen. The report may be emailed by filling out the address field at the bottom, and clicking the appropriate letter. Further details about the content of each report can be found in Report in the Topics section of our website. Thank you. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful and clear. If not, or if you have any additional suggestions or comments regarding this tutorial, please submit your remarks via our website.